Hi, this is Vidya Balan.
Hi, this is Srijit Mukherjee.
And you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
You've been a National Award winning director. She's won the National Award in the past. Do you feel that this is one film that she can win a National Award for? Do you feel that?
See, yes, she should, if you ask me. But then the problem with National Award is you do not know what kind of work is happening all around the country. You were possibly only aware of your industry, and now possibly I know what is happening in Bengal. I know what is happening in Bombay. But I need to see. Truly, I need to be aware of whatever performance are coming, from all over the country to actually feel no, this should be the performance. But if you leave that aside, I think just on the basis of the performance, most definitely. I mean, she is up there. There are which I have felt even while shooting, that there are scenes and there are portions where I've forgotten to say cut because I was so engrossed by Begum Jaan, and Vidya Balan was nowhere to be seen in that time. It was just sheer power, brutality, softness, manipulation, spunk, ruthlessness of Begum Jaan, and nothing else. So I think she absolutely deserves that.
Thank you.
And I hope she gets it also. But then again, awards, be it national awards or Filmfare Awards, you've seen us shoot, right? So you understand when you are shooting in those conditions, you don't think about these things. You just bothered about honestly telling your story. She's just bothered about being honestly Begum Jaan. अगर अवार्ड मिले तो वो अच्छा, वो बोनस है, लेकिन बोनस के बारे में सोच के तो काम पे नहीं जाता ना. सैलरी है
अभी तो, लेकिन सब कुछ हो चुका है.
नहीं, सैलरी है, दर्शकों का प्यार, वो सैलरी है. Awards are bonus. So one doesn't think of bonus when one goes to work. One thinks of the salary.
Right. Okay. And how much do you want your fans and people to come in the theaters?
And how? I want everyone who's a fan and maybe not yet a fan to come and watch Begum Jaan. We've really toiled very hard. On this film, I'll say, at least come and see the kind of effort we put in. The rest, we know that you'll go back touched. But at least just to see the grit, the determination of 150 people?
Yeah, 150 people.
Over 32 days. I think it's incredible. So
No,
just to appreciate that, come into the theatres. Baki, hum sambhal lenge.